大家早上好，今天是5·1国际劳动节，劳动节嘛，那就应该在劳动中度过，所以我们今天打算去海边挖蚬子。
这就是我们今天的劳动地点。其实周4的时候我们已经来过一次，很开心地挖到了一些贝类，但是没有玩够，所以今天我们又来了。我们到达时，海滩上已经有不少人在辛勤劳作，并收获到他们的劳动成果了。我们决定趟过海水和裸露出的泥泞的海底，先到周4没去过的区域试试运气。
Okay, so now we found a crab. Ooh, it's very soft. It's molting. So this is a Dungeness crab. We cannot keep it. It's male. Huh? And so it's not very active either. We're gonna let it go. There it is. Yeah.
Look at this. Yeah.
Okay. Ha ha ha!
Look at this one.
And it's a gaper. See, that's where the hole is where the neck comes out.
Yeah.
So it was out like this, and I touched it, and it went in, so I knew it was here. First I saw the squirt.
Show us how big this is. Look at this.
About 3 inches. 1, 2, 3. About 3 inches or so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, good. I saw another one here, but I don't know where the squirt went. So the question is, do I keep digging this hole to see if there's more, or do we go somewhere else?
很难做出决定，所以我们来请教在周围工作的这位大叔。这居然成了今天最明智的决定。他与我们分享了许多他的经验。
这边的这个 gentleman， 他已经在这边同一个位置挖了这么多，大家看一看，好大哈！
按照大叔的建议，我们重新选择了一个地方挖了起来。接下来的事实证明了，几十年的经验绝对不是吃素的。
Thank you. Thank you. Look at this.
Yeah.
Whoa, there's a big one.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I saw 3 holes. So tried there.
I got 4 yesterday that were, each one was weighed about a pound.
Wow.
Yeah, they were, I think.
There's a baby one. Right? So maybe there's clams in here and I need to dig. See? See that hole? Right? So there's got to be a clam down there. But it's going to be a foot down. Here's another one. Wow. Oh my God, Anna, get another one. Oh my.
I guess, yeah, when the water comes back.
感觉像那个八一老爷挖八一老爷的金币似的。这是找到他们的老巢了。
That's a smaller one.
这个小一点。
Yep, that's the right spot.
又一个。
This could have been the one.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Oh, look, look. There's a hole. You see it's going like this? You see the angle it's going?
Yeah.
That's where the clam is going to be. So let's go get it. Oh, don't kill it, don't kill it.
Go to grandma.
Another.
Look at this.
Yeah. All right, cool. So I use a shovel till I feel something. And I feel something here. I don't know if it's a rock or if it's a clam. So this is a cockle, okay?
Okay. Let me show.
So we're just gonna rake because cockles normally on the surface. So we're gonna rake up. It's not so big one, but you can see very, very easy. Okay, we just found another hole. We just got all these. So we're gonna
Keep digging this one.
just this area after I dug, we got tons. Oh, here's another one. See, still squirting. Oh, look.
Look at this.
Look. Another one. Another one. Another one. Yeah, these are not as big as the other ones, but they'll do because we're running out of time. Here.
Oh, there. There's the one.
Okay, you get it.
It's a bigger one.
Yeah. Here's some more.
Okay, there's another one. Wait.
There's a big one.
Yep. Look at this. Oh.
Oh, here's a bigger one. I think it's a bigger one. Yeah. One.
There's another one inside there.
Yeah.
And there's a big one, I think.
You saw it. But I'm gonna take it.
Okay. It doesn't
I want to
matter.
finish my bag. I want to finish my 20, then we can, yeah, get more, right? Okay, everybody's gone to the other side. I think we should go. Otherwise, we're gonna get stuck here. Okay, Anna.
Okay. And this one also.
We got a gaper.
We got a gaper! Oh, this is a gaper. 现在已经开始涨潮了，其实潮水已经涨得特别快。然后呢，我们刚才是从那些人现在走过来地方过来的，必须得跨过眼前的这条河。你看看这些趟过男人河的女人和趟过女人河的男人们。你看外国人现在这裤子一半全湿了，我这也是，给大家看一下啊，从这一下全湿了。穿这个水鞋现在也没有用啊。这里面都是湿的。这个季节，太平洋的海水其实还是挺凉的。太平洋 2次的挖蚬子之旅，我觉得还是挺成功的。So what do you think? Is it a successful trip?
Yeah, we got our limit 20 each, and
Yep.
most of them were butter clams, which is what we wanted today,
Yeah.
because we can only get 12 gaper clams, and we didn't want to waste all the time trying to find them. So if they're a little bit bigger, it'd be better, but I'm happy with what we got.
And we really appreciate that the older people in Oregon, they are so nice. They share their experience with us, and they told us what to do, how to do it.
Yeah, so a bunch of retired people out here, they've been clamming here for 20, 30, 40 years, and they shared their experience with us, and we were able to target the butter clams today, and we got our limit mostly of butter clams.
Yeah.
And a couple of days ago when we came here, we got mostly cockle because we didn't know how to get the other ones. So we just went to and raked, like we showed you in the video, we raked and got the ones on the surface. Most of the cockles are on the surface, and the butter clams are a little bit lower. So this time we were able to get some butter clams, and we'll try the soft shell clams maybe later. Don't know when.
So thank you so much for watching. We had a lot of fun today, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So see you next time.
All right,
Bye-bye.
bye. Until next time, more clams. More clams in your future.
Ciao.